Hi everyone, so today we're going to do tutorial sheet 2, question 17. So the first thing that you need to put in mind when answering such a question, which says express cos 3 theta in terms of cos theta, or sin 3 theta in terms of sin theta, or cos 4 theta in terms of cos theta. The first thing that you have to put in mind is that you need to know that these are compound angle you need to use compound angle formulas. So what are compound angle formulas? Compound angle formulas are as follows. So compound angle formulas are these here. If you look at this, we have this is a double angle formula for cos. This is a half angle formula for cos. Yeah, so these are the that we're talking about. So I'm going to use the double angle formula for cos in order to answer the first question here. So the first question is saying express cos 3 theta in terms of cos theta. So cos 3 theta, we know to say it can also be written as cos. It can also be written as cos 2 theta. Can also be written as cos 2 theta plus theta. So when you add 2 theta plus theta, you get your answer to be 3 theta. So using the compound angle formula for cos, you discover that your solution is going to look like this. Cos 2 theta, and then you have your cos again, cos theta. Then since there is a plus here, of course the sign will change. We're going to have a minus there. And then you write your sin theta this side. So we change, your sin theta, or if you want you can start with sin 2 theta, and then you write sin theta. So this is how you express it. Then the next step there, we're going to change this cos 2 theta now in terms of cos again. So how are we going to do that? Simple. We know that cos 2 theta is just the same as cos 2a is just the same as cos 2 cos squared a minus a. So that's what we're going to write there. So I'm going to put 2 cos squared theta, and then minus 1, everything in brackets, and then multiply by cos theta, like that, and then minus, this is sin 2 theta. How can you write sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is written as the double angle formula for sin 2 theta is this, which is 2 sin theta cos theta. It's just here, this one here. So this is the one that we're going to put here. 2 sin theta cos theta. Then multiply by this sin theta here. So now what you do is you multiply this cos times everything in brackets there, you get your 2 cos cubed theta, and then minus cos theta times negative 1 there, you get your negative cos theta, and then minus, you write your 2 there. We have cos theta here, I'll write it, I'll keep it because I've been told to express this in terms of cos theta, so I'll keep it. But remember, we have sine times sine there, which gives us sine squared theta. So this one is just the same as 2 cos cubed theta minus cos theta, then minus 2 cos theta, so after writing these 2 cos theta, you have your sine squared theta. You can make sine squared theta in this identity as the subject, in this identity here, meaning you take this cos squared theta to the other side of the equal sign, and you have your sine theta being equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. So we're going to do that. So we're going to, while there is sine theta, we're going to write 1 minus cos squared theta. So our aim here is to have cos theta throughout. We don't need to have sine theta at any point. So we have 2 cos cubed theta minus cos theta, and then negative 2 cos theta when you multiply negative 2 cos theta times negative cos theta, you have plus 2 cos cubed theta, 2 cos squared theta, sorry. Oh, this is supposed to be squared, so we're going to have 2 cos cubed theta, like that. So when you add the like terms here, 2 plus 2, you get 4 cos cubed theta. And then when you add these, you have negative 3 cos theta. So this is your final answer for this question. We move on to the next question. The next question is also straightforward. It's also simple. So we move on to question B. Question B is saying express sine 3 theta in terms of cos theta. So sine 3 theta, again, we can write it as sine 2 theta plus theta, like that. Then you have your solution to be, the solution is going to be, here you use the double angle formula for sine. We are going to have sine 2 theta and then cos theta. Here there will be a plus. For sine you put the same sign, plus. I'm trying to use this one. Where is it? Okay, it's not here. Let me just write it. And then we are going to have sine 2 theta cos theta, then plus, you switch the angles now, sine theta cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta. This is what you have. So after having this, you can now change this sine 2 theta into the, you can also express it in using, you can also express it in terms of theta using the double angle formula for sine 2 theta, which is here. This one, sine 2 theta, which is 2 sine theta cos theta. So this is the one that we're going to use here. We're going to put 2 sine theta cos theta, and then multiply by this cos here, cos theta, then plus sine theta there, you leave it because they want us to express sine 3 theta into sine theta, so you leave it like that. And then cos 2 theta can also be written as, so cos 2 theta can also be written as cos 2 theta can also be written as 1, sorry, can also be written as 2 cos theta, 2 cos squared theta, and then minus 1. I'm just talking about this identity here. Here, this one here, 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Sorry, they want us to express this in terms of sine. So what we're going to do here, instead of using this this identity here, we're going to use the identity which contains sine for cos. Which one is that? Do we even have it here? Alright, it's not there. Okay. The one which contains sine looks like this. So it looks like this. This is 1 minus, and then you're going to have your 2 sine squared theta this side. 2 sine squared theta, like that. Okay. So here it's just a matter of here now it's just a matter of just expanding or multiplying it through. So we're going to have 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta, and then cos times cos, you have cos squared theta. And then cos squared theta, you know to say it's just the same as 1 minus sine squared theta. So let me first write it the way it is. Then we expand this side. We're going to have sine theta times 1. You get your sine theta there. And then sine theta minus, or sine theta multiplied by negative 2 sine theta, you get your negative 2 sine cubed theta. You are going to get your negative 2 sine cubed theta. And then you move on. You are going to have sine theta. So sine theta, this sine theta, we know to say this cos squared theta is just the same as 1 minus sine squared theta. So you can write it there, and then plus sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta. Then lastly here, you are going to have you're going to multiply, you're going to open the brackets, meaning you are going to multiply this 2 sine theta with everything that is in the brackets there. Hence you get 2 sine theta, then multiply this 2 sine theta times negative sine squared theta, you get negative 2 sine cubed theta, negative 2 sine cubed theta, and then plus sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta. So here we're just remaining with the addition of we pair the like terms. So we're going to have 2 sine theta plus sine theta there, you get your 3 sine theta here. And then negative 2 sine cubed theta minus 2 sine cubed theta, again to have negative 4 sine cubed theta. This is what you are going to have. So this is your answer. This is your solution for the second question there, B. We move on to the last question. So the last question, which is C, though they denoted it as B there, it's C saying cos 4 theta cos 4 theta. So cos 4 theta can also be written as cos 4 theta can also be written as cos 3. This can also, I'm just going to use a shortcut, so you can either write it as cos 3 cos, okay, let me first start with, you can either write it as cos 2 theta plus 2 theta, and then try to simplify it. Then you can also write it as cos 3 theta plus theta, like that. So you can either write it as this or that. So I'm going to use this since I already have the solutions for cos 3 theta and sin 3 theta. So I'm going to use the last one here. So, but if you don't have the solutions for cos 3 theta and sin 3 theta, it's better you go with this one here. It's a little bit straightforward. So the reason why I've resorted to using the last part here, because I know that I have the solutions for cos 3 theta and sin 3 theta. So when I want to write this, sorry for that. So now when I want to write this in terms of cos theta, I'm going to use the double angle formula for cos theta, so which is going to be cos 3 theta then cos theta, like that. And then this is going to be equal to, oh sorry, not equal to, it's going to be plus. It's going to be, oh, we have a plus there for cos, then it's going to be a minus here. And then we have sine 3 theta, and then sine theta this side. We move on. So cos 3 theta, we found it to be cos 3 theta. We found cos 3 theta to be, this was it was 4 cos cubed theta, then minus 3 cos theta, like this. This is what we found, and you put it in brackets like that. Then you're multiplying that by cos theta, and then this sine 3 theta can also, we found it to be 3 sine theta. And I think this will give us a lot of work. Anyway, let's just use because when I write this 3 sine theta, this sine theta minus 4 sine cubed theta, I thought this is going to make our work easier, but I think it's just going to lengthen our work. So the best is just to use the second part here. Let me just use the second part. So cos, sorry, so cos 2 theta plus 2 theta, that will give us sine, that will give us cos to give us 2 cos squared 2 theta, then minus 1. And then apart from that, this cos squared 2 theta can also be written as 2 cos 2 theta cos 2 theta again, and then minus 1 this side. So this we know to say cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos squared theta. Yeah, this one is very simple actually than what I wanted to use, like this, then open brackets 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So here it's just a matter of multiplying. So when you multiply the 2, you are going to have 2, then open brackets, inside there we're going to have 4 cos to the power 4 theta, and then you will have something like negative 4, yeah, you have something like negative 4 cos squared theta, and then you have plus 1 this side, then outside minus 1. Then when you simplify this, you're going to have 8 cos to the power 4 theta. So this is what you're going to have, minus 8 cos squared theta, then plus 2, like this, then minus 1. And then this again can be simplified. You're going to have something like this, 8 cos to the power 4 theta, then minus 8 cos squared theta, then 2 minus 1, you get your positive 1 there. So this is your final answer. So this is your final answer. This is your final answer. So thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions and contributions, if you have any questions and anything that you would like to contribute to support us, you can contact us on this line here on WhatsApp, and we'll be there to answer you. Alright, see you in the next tutorial video.